Premiere has an inbuilt colour correction feature called Lumetri Color. You can open the panel by selecting it in Window. When your clip is selected, any changes you make in the Lumetri Color panel will automatically be applied to your clip. You can also open the Lumetri Scopes panel, which will display the tones in your image as a graph. The top of the image shows pure white and the bottom shows pure black. For a very flat looking image such as this, the first step is to apply some contrast. Next is to decrease the shadows and to get them as low as possible without touching the zero level. Next, adjust the highlights until your image looks correct, again making sure not to touch the top of the graph. Once you're happy with the exposure, the next step is to adjust the colour. Click on the eyedropper logo to select it, and next click on an area of white in your image and Lumetri will automatically adjust the white balance. You can use the temperature and tint controls to make fine adjustments to the white balance, and you can also use the saturation to make the colours on your image more or less intense. You can toggle between the raw clip and your colour corrected clip by clicking on the effects button, and click the reset effect button if you want to remove everything you've done and start again.